You can follow these clever ways to clean your bathroom even if you already know how to do it properly. If you follow these bathroom hacks, this annoying job will become easier. As we continue, we encourage you to please like, share and subscribe to watch more of these videos. So let's get to the point. 1. Use shaving foam. You can use shaving foam to prevent your bathroom mirrors from fogging up due to steam. You need to spray some shaving foam on the mirrors and polish it using a kitchen roll. This approach will help you get a steam-free, gleaming mirror, and you won't have to clean your mirror for at least the next 2 to 3 weeks. 2. Use oil or tea to make your shower screen shine once again. If you are looking for a natural alternative to restore the shine of your shower screen, you can soak a lint-free cloth in black tea and use this cloth to rub your shower screen. Alternatively, you can use some cooking oil on the screen and let it sit for a few minutes and then rinse with water and soap. Then, finally, you can buff it until it starts shining. Both of these solutions can cut through that stubborn grime and limescale buildup. It's good to rub a squeegee on the screen after each shower. This practice can help prevent grime and limescale from building up on the screen. 3. Use vinegar to clean your windows. You can make a natural window cleaner from the comfort of your home. First, prepare a mixture of 2 cups of white vinegar and 1 cup of rubbing alcohol, and then put this mixture into a spray bottle. Now fill this bottle up with fresh water. That's it. You are ready to clean your bathroom window, mirror, and shower screen. Ensure to spray this mixture on the windows when there is no direct sunlight, or you may get streaks on the glass. 4. Clean your shower curtain. If you want to keep mold and mildew at arm's length, dry your shower curtain after each shower. But you may find it harder to achieve this goal in the presence of condensation. So, the best way out is to wash your curtains once per week and let them dry out. But if your bathroom curtains already have mildew, prepare a mixture of washing powder and bicarbonate of soda and use the combination to wash the curtains. 5. Use soda and vinegar to clean your toilet. If you are looking for a natural alternative to chemical toilet cleaner, you can try this formula. Prepare a mixture of an equal amount of white vinegar and bicarbonate soda and pour it into your toilet. Afterwards, you can use a toilet brush to clean the toilet properly. Then, wait for 15 minutes before flushing. You can repeat this procedure regularly to keep your toilet shining. 6. Use vinegar and baking soda to clean your sink. They will look good if you have porcelain sinks, provided you scrub them regularly. But if your sink has got stubborn stains on it, you can use vinegar and baking soda to make it shine once again. 7. Use indigestion tablets to unblock your drain. Your sink may drain slowly due to blockage over time. In most cases, you can unblock your sink using a drain snake. But if you suspect that your drain is blocked due to razor gunk, soap or toothpaste, you can drop a few indigestion tablets and 1 cup of distilled vinegar. After 10 minutes, pour a kettle of boiling water, and it will do the trick. 8. Use distilled water to clean your shower heads. Limescale can block and dull your shower heads, especially if you have hard water in your area. Common symptoms of limescale buildup in your shower heads include water coming out in different directions or water blockage in some jets. In the worst-case scenario, your shower head will be blocked. If you want to clean your shower head fuss-free, you can unscrew it and soak it in distilled water. In addition, you can add a spoon of bicarbonate of soda into the mixture to remove rust. Make sure to secure the top using an elastic bag. Following this approach can help you eliminate the smell as well. After an hour, take the shower head out of the bag and reinstall it. This method will restore the flow of water and make your shower head shine like new. So, if you follow these clever ways to clean your bathroom, you can make this job a lot easier. If you don't like cleaning your bathroom, we suggest hiring FastKlean, a professional cleaning company, one of the best cleaning companies. Want more tips? Check out our previous video on how to clean your floor tiles and keep them sparkling clean. Also, let us know your views and comments in the comment section below. Why don't you consider the help of trained cleaning professionals, the ones that work at FastKlean? Our company can help you deal with all aspects of cleaning. Simply call 0208 8849 149 or visit fastklean.co.uk. Sign up for our masterclasses and learn how to create a toxin-free environment at home or any business premises. Watch our other videos and learn more eco-friendly cleaning tips. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Thank you for watching. Until next time.